Today I want to tell you why it's important to find a good arm position for YuMi to do your assembly task. For this and this Lego part, the force to assemble it to the ground plate is the same. In this arm configuration, YuMi will push down with axis 2. See? Part is assembled. Now we move to different arm position. YuMi will push down in this direction. See, the part is not assembled. Axis 5 says motion supervision, so axis 5 is not strong enough to push the part down. In this position, you cannot assemble your part. This is why it's important to find a good arm position for your single arm YuMi to do the assembly task.